How to fix Instagram update problem. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram update problem. So basically, if you can't update your Instagram, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all, what you need to do, you have to check whether your internet connection is well okay or not. So if your internet connection is well, good and fine, then you can try it out by going to Google Play or Play Store. So let me just go to Google Play Store, or you can go to App Store. So let me just go to uh, Play Store and search for Instagram. So if you're pressing on this update, but it is if you are finding difficult, so what you need to do here is you have to just go to Play Store. Here, this is Play Store. You have to click on this icon, or here you'll find the 3 days icon. Here you'll find like 3 days like this. So it's same to click. So just click on this option here. Simply click on the option, and then here this type of interface will pop up. So what you need to do, you have to click on this settings option here on Google Play Store. Okay, so after clicking here, you can see general option on the top. You can see here general. Simply tap here. So after tapping here, this type of interface will pop up. So here you can see app download preference. Simply tap on app download preference, and then here you have to select for this option. You can see here, over any network. If it is here or here, then make sure to make this here. Okay, over any network. Click on done, and then scroll down. Here you can see again other option, auto update apps. So simply tap on auto update, and then here you can see you have to just click on don't auto updates, because it will waste your MBs and internet packs. So just click on this, and then here you can see this type of interface will pop up, and then just you need to go back, and then here you can just try it out updating Instagram. Okay, so if it is again not working, then what you need to do here is you have to go to Play Store, or you have to go to your phone settings. So after going to your phone settings, you just need to go to app management, install apps or anything related to apps, app management, and then go to the list of the application which has been installed to your phone. So here you can see these are the application which has been installed to my phone. So you have to go to apps management, apps, install apps or apps. Now you have to search for Instagram here. Okay, here it is. So you have to click on first stop button, and then you have to stop the first, and then click on storage usage, and then you have to clear each and everything here. So you have to clear this, and then you have to go back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. So guys, if it is not working, then what you need to do here, the last and the foremost thing, what you have to do, you have to go back to your phone settings, and then you can see here software updates. Simply tap on software updates on your software updates or system updates on your device, and then make sure to update your system, and then I hope this problem will absolutely helpful for you. So guys, the bonus tips I'm gonna share with you is like what you can do here is you have to just uninstall your Instagram from your device and then reinstall it, and while you are reinstalling, the updated version will be available on your device. So this is basically very pretty simple. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.